Good everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free AI images. Let me go to my gallery to show you what I want to discuss on this particular tutorial. I have created some funny AI images that I'm going to show you. I know you may have been seeing the images on your social media or maybe on your Facebook, on your YouTube channel or your Instagram, and you'll be wondering how are these people creating these funny particular images, and that is what I am going to show you today in this tutorial, which will take a couple of minutes, and I'm going to show you how you can create such images. So let's dive into the study. I want to show you some samples of the images I've created in my gallery before we proceed to the tutorial in details. So while my gallery is opening, I have a lot of images on my phone. I don't know why it's slowing down a little bit, but nevertheless, let's go back to the study. I will come back to show you some samples of the images on my gallery. For you to create a funny image, you need a software called Microsoft Edge, which you can get on your Play Store. You can get it on your Apple Store if you are using iPhone. So this is the name of the images you need to get, the name of the software app you need to get. If you are using Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 11 on your laptop, this software already comes with the latest version of your Windows. But if you are not using the Windows version, you need to upgrade your system so that you can easily access it on your laptop. So now I have the software already. Let me check the gallery first if the thing has loaded out or is okay. It's still coming up. Let me go back to where we are. Open the Microsoft Edge and let's see the wonders of this particular software. Let's see how it works. Wow, this is one of the images I have created so far with this particular software. I created a prompt. I said create an image of a father eating with a daughter, eating with a baby girl on a dining table, and we can see what happened here. You can see it now. I will see slide. You can see it now. We still have, you can see it now. We still have more. So these are samples of the images that we are creating in this particular tutorial, and I still have more sample of all these images that I've created. I'm still going to show you more of it now. Before we start in details, I have many samples that I have created which I'm going to show you. You can see all these images, they were created with this particular AI. You can see it now. All these fine images, they were created with it. So now I want to create more images. I will come here, I will say create image of a man barbing his hair in salon. This thing may be funny, but this image is going to, this Bing image creator is going to create a funny image for us. And let's say within a couple of minutes the image will come out. You can see all these reasons that you are seeing. Those are the samples of image I've created before. I'm still going to show you how you can save your image to your phone and you can use it later. Wow, you can see it now. Wow, this is a man in a salon barbing his hair. You can see it now. You can see it now. You can see what they are doing to this man. So the moment you have your idea, you can send it to this AI, and this particular AI is going to generate it out. So for instance, you have generated your AI. How do you download this image? You click on the three dot on your mobile phone. You just click on the three dot and download the image. So within a couple of minutes, the image will save automatically to my mobile phone. So you can see it. You can see save it now. I've already saved the image. So now let me go back to show you how you can save your previous image. You can see it now. These are the samples I've done before. This one, let me click on this one. It will load now. I generate image of a woman, of a baby boy, of a born baby eating with his mother on a sofa chair. You can still click on it. Click on preview. You are going to see, they are going to show you. You can see it now. I love this image. I love this one. So if you want to download it, you just click on this thing, on this three dot, and download it the way we download the first one. Now how can you get to this place to download this particular thing, to get this done, to do it by yourself? you go to, once you open the Microsoft Edge, you search on the search bar, assuming you are browsing, just search for Bing image creator, this one. So once it pop out, you click on the first one, just click on it, it will take you automatically to this particular place whereby you can create your image, you create your content, put your word is there, just find a sentence, a unique sentence and write create image of a female teacher in a chemistry lab, for instance, in a chemistry laboratory. So now this is another sample. I will just click on this thing and it will create it. So once you come to the image creator, put your prompt and it's going to generate it out. Let's see, within a couple of minutes it's going to generate this thing out for us. So just wait for a second and we have it in a second. We have it. Wow. So this AI have already generated a wonderful image of a female teacher in a laboratory for us. You can see it now. You can use this image on any content, on your blog, on your Facebook post, on anything, on anywhere you want to use it. You can use it. This is an experiment in a chemistry lab I just generated. I am a science student. I still remember all these things that we did in school then. So you can see it now. You can save your image, can save it to your phone. So this is an AI image. This is not a copyright image. You can use it at any time. So now the last thing I'm going to show you is coins. You can see these coins that is showing like a flash light here. See, I have 66 coins now. Before, when I started using it, I have around 72. But the first plate, when you register with this Microsoft Edge, they are going to give you 15 coins. The moment you exceed the 15 coins, you need to buy coins before you can start generating more images. So what I will tell you is that for you to have these free coins, you need to start using this Microsoft Edge to browse rather than using it for generating image. The more you are using this Microsoft Edge every day to browse, you can see it now, you can use it for many things. Let me see, I want to ask for something like Google. Is a browser on its own like Google Chrome or Pramini? What is who is, who is the new elected Nigeria president, for instance? So I'm just using sample. So we can see it now. It's going to bring out Bala Blue, the man, Tinubu is going to bring him out. You can see now. So it's just like the browser, just like Chrome browser that we have on our Google Chrome. So it's also the same. You can see it brought out Tinubu. It's also like a browser that we have. Okay, I don't even ask the question very well. I just type anything. Who is the So we put 2023 so that we can get the right answer. So it's just like your normal Google browser that you use. So you can see it now. You just go to your this thing and see whatever you want here. You see there has been like that Tinubu is our president. You can see it now. So this is how to use this Microsoft browser, Microsoft Bing. You search for, if you want the image creator, you search for it, it will take you to that place. And don't forget they have AI too. This is their AI. You click on chat, you can ask the AI any question. AI is going to answer. Thank you guys watch this video. Generate your image, send it to your friend and give me feedback.